Yo, hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get Fort of the North World in your iOS and Android device. So as you can see, I'm running it in my iOS device and it's running without problem, and I'm gonna show you step by step how to get it. So follow me to get the Fort of the Naughty World in your device. But first of all, let me delete the game from my device just to show you that everything is legit. And now I will go step by step how to get it. And the first step you need to follow is to go on this website that is called mobgames.online. As you can see right here, you can go inside the website, and in the search bar on the top of the website you can search for the desired application or game. I will go with the Fort of the Naughty World and I'm gonna click it. And in the install button down below, the purple one, you can tap it and the download and the injection starts immediately. So this method is working for me in both platforms, iOS and Android. So this is the second time that I'm installing in my iOS device, just to show you how I got it. This is a third-party app store where you can find different lot of applications and games that you can find in the official app store. As you can see, I get a confirmation pop-up here that I don't need to do any verification, but in some countries you might need to do it based on the message you get there. What do I need to do now is to go in the home screen and to wait till the Fort of the Naughty World is installed in the device, and that depends on your operating system, device and connection speed. So don't worry if you wait a little bit for that. So let's wait a little bit, and there it is. I'm gonna open it, and as you can see guys, everything start to run perfectly fine, very smoothly. We are in the main menu and I'm gonna try to go inside the game now. And here we are guys. We are inside the game. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.